Good morning, everybody. My Benzinga family. What's shaking, my bacons? DD, guys. Let's sell some at 13 if we spike up to 13. All right. DD is one that we bought when everybody else hated it for a little swing trade. I think our average price is like $11.60, so we're up almost $1 on that. We bought CPOP yesterday for the first time. Just thought it got a little bit too beat up. We bought this at $11 yesterday. Still have a little bit left. We'll sell some of that at 12 if it goes. I mean, we just thought that after getting beat so badly that we might get a little relief rally in this thing. I mean, there's no way it should have been $78, but got a little cheap down there, so we bought a little. Same thing with DD. Everybody hated DD, so we bought a little bit. Yes, I fixed the Apple. Good morning, everybody. So a couple of swing trades that are working out for us this morning. SGOC, guys, we made a little trade early when it got above our 200 EMA at 11.25. Everybody took about $1 out of it, so we started off the morning very nicely. We got some bids if it pulls back early to see what it does, but I don't know what the heck that thing's going to do. We'll see what happens, but it showed a little life today. You guys taking some CPOP profits at 12, right, guys? I mean, we'll take $1 overnight. That's a nice little play. What else is on our radar? Space is on our radar. Kind of liked it as a buy this morning. We think this one might have bottomed out a little bit too. I mean, 35.30 would have been a beautiful spot for us, but we didn't quite get there. We'll see what happens. We'll watch it today, see if it gets going a little bit to the upside. Swing trades are all old already now, MT. So these are things we did a few days ago. That'll work. And good morning, everybody. Alf, we can keep our eyes on, see if it gets going a little bit. I guess GOC will be our focus in the morning. I'll tell you what, right now, ladies and gentlemen, this market is very, very quiet this morning. Extremely quiet. So we'll see what they give us. AMC, thought it might have bottomed this morning too. This thing got to 36 and change. You know, we were hoping for 35.80. Didn't quite get there. Close. Close, close, close. I think it's a time to be a little careful this morning. Let things open up. I don't know. I got 1080 and SGOC and 10. That's fine. Again, just do that very, very small if we get a quick pullback. MAT. Everyone wants to talk about MAT. Well, Seed was one everybody got stuck in yesterday. Don't fall for that crap, guys, overnight. Just don't do it. Marin. Yeah, Marin's a dead stick, too. Another one that a lot of people got caught in. Daily in Marin is down at 13.30. That could be a spot in Marin if we go there fast. 13.30 is a daily level in Marin, so keep our eyes on that. I just think it's going to be a slower day today than it was yesterday. Made $225 short in NEO at the pivot point. Oh, that happened very fast. Jeez Louise. Yeah, I wouldn't have done that right off out of the gate. Good trade, though. Myrna spiked up to 239. That was a little short, and then spiked right back down. Look, everything's a little all over the place today, guys and gals. So let's take it easy early. Apple, 146.80 Apple. We buy some Apple at 146.80, guys. Down $1 from here. 146.80. We get a quick spike back. Citibank. Citibank short at 72, daily and weekly. I love it. Yeah, we get to 72. We'll definitely short some Citibank. Yes, 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 yes. SGOC coming in a little bit. I still like our levels. Let's see what happens. Bloom is off the rose and CPOP. That's the end of that. Space, spike up, spike down. Skills. You know, skills are sitting in the middle of everything. Spike up, spike down. I don't see anything to do right now. NEO. Soxel. Neo's dead. I don't see it. I hit my number in pre-market. Should I just watch? Yes, dear to guy. If you hit your number, relax or severely cut your size and then just hang out and see what happens. Yes. Yeah, Soxel's a better buy, Sal. Let us know if you're going to jump in. You mentioned it this morning, but we didn't do anything. That was a nice trade in Soxel. Just broke up $1. Very nice. We ain't getting Apple, guys. That's bouncing. SGOC. That got down to 11. DKNG. Give me some levels in DKNG. I don't see it. 46.80 could be a spot in Donkey Kong. Neg up $4. Oh, XELA. Yeah, we were watching that one this morning. XELA. That's another one. If you like the story, you can buy a little XELA and just hang out. Neggy spiked up $4. Can we short Neg? I don't think so. Is Neg shortable? Let's take a peek. Not that we want to short it anyway. Yeah, this thing's wackadoodle. 38.72 will short Neg. I'd be a better buyer in Neg, guys. I would be a better buyer in Neg. The spread's not bad. Made my day in AAL. Good for you. I love it. Baidu, PayPal. Let's look. Baidu. Yeah, spike up, spike down. I don't see it now. PayPal. Look, PayPal's ugly and sloppy. I don't see that either. You bought a little blend for a swing. Okay. Space. All right. What do we got in space, guys? We got our daily level coming up, right? Let's take a look. 35.30 space, guys. Space, 35.30. I really like that. That'll be a far from moving average trade. We could be aggressive down there if it holds that level. 35.30 space. Airbnb. ABNB. 141. That works, Airbnb, if we get there fast. I like it. Peloton. Again, I might not put all these orders out, guys, but if I say they're good, they're good. Peloton, 113.65, right? I like that better. 113.65 Peloton. It's good. Apple. Holy crap. Are you kidding me, Apple? Can't keep the good ones down, guys. Cancel Apple. SGOC halted. Holy crap. Well, all right. Cancel our orders for now. And SGOC. Yep, it is halted. Yeah, I mean, it was good all morning. All right, it is what it is. Baba, we like it, guys. We get down to 212 in Baba. I like it, I like it, I like it. Soxel short 46 for a trade. I like that too. Let's put it out with Solly. We're zipping around here, guys. Not much going on, but we're zipping around. We're looking. Like Soxel. Vail. Vail looks like a decent trend trade here, guys. Check the volume. Looks all right. VALE on a pullback. Come on, Space, get the smackdown. Not going to happen. All right, Bobby, you get the smackdown. Soxel Daily. SQ for Jeremy. 240, 250. Yes, you can try SQ 240, 250. I like it, Jeremy. Good. MAT, we're not going to trade, guys. If you like MAT, you just buy it long term. Forget about it. Put it away. Baba, we're waiting for the 200. I mean, I think we're going to get a bounce from here. It's not going to work anyway, but not going to happen. AMC, I don't like AMC. I haven't liked it since it broke $54. I do not like AMC. I think AMC sees this 36, which would be a good buy. If we got down to 36 in AMC, I like that. Well, let's put a little marker out in AMC. Now, listen, diamond hands don't always work, but I certainly like 36. That's a far from moving average trade and our daily level. Space bounce, cancel for now. Socks will not happening. I don't think Bob is happening. Cancel that. Patience, guys and girls. Patience. It is what it is. I think the day is going to be over in a few minutes, but we'll look. CCL. Let's take a look. Carnival Cruise Lines. That's going to be setting up for a little afternoon trender in Carnival. It's not going to be a big move at Carnival. Market's coming in a little bit, but I mean, gosh, we're at all-time highs in the market again. Citibank is a good trend trade, guys. Absolutely, if we get a pullback and it's a short at 72. Uh-oh, AHPI, guys. Woo-hoo! It got halted. Up 90 cents. All right. Anybody in it? Probably good if you long it. Right? Indicated at 725 right now. All right, again, guys, tell us before you get in trades. Otherwise, we don't give a shit. Pardon my language. DTSS, we will not day trade. If you like it, buy some, hang out. Ooh. All right, Thomas. So you're in from higher levels, I would assume. Snow, give me levels, Snow. What do we got? 258.25 Snow, right? Boom chaka-laka-laka. We'll do that in the snow. It ain't going to happen, but 258.25. Boom. Yeah, but I like it down there. That'll be down $13. It's good. It works. Yeah, a lot of people got caught in it. The APHI. All right, you got your SQ out. Just missed SQ. Damn it. Yeah, ZM. Looks like all the at-home stocks are getting crushed here, guys, for some reason. I don't know why. It could. Mike, APHI can get going. You never know with these things, right? AHPI. It's halted right now, so see what happens. Same thing with SGOC is indicated at 14 now. Yeah, we're not going to get snow anyway, guys. Don't worry about it. It ain't happening at 258. It's not happening. I think this is going to be one of the slowest days we have. We got to watch SGOC and APHI. Those are the ones we got to watch, right? Try to get involved if they give us big pullbacks. But I don't see anything else trading. Qs are coming in a little bit, yeah. What's Citibank doing? Citibank don't care. Apple, 147.50, 146.85. Yeah, I like 146.80 in Apple. That's good. I like it. Carve, yeah, we know that one's a wackadoodle one, right? LI looks like a better sell than buy. AMD, give me levels in AMD. 89.50. That's down $2. 89.50 works in AMD, guys. AMC coming in. Yeah, the banks are strong. All right, AMC, let's put a marker at 36 and then look far from moving average so we don't have to commit to it. All right, guys? I'm putting a marker. 36. And we'll see what happens if we get down there. 35.30 is a real spot in AMC. So let's have an order down there for 25 shares, and then we'll jump all over if it holds that. 35.30. All the puts that we had in freaking AMC are home runs, right? We had 40 puts last week. Yep, 35.30 is the spot. I think this is going back to $20 AMC, but it'll set up for a trade before we get there. We'll see what happens. Yes, 35.85, and then we got 35.30. So we're out there, 36 and 35.30 for a fall from moving average trade. Boom, chaka laka laka. Marin, Neo, Donkey Kong. Everything's coming in like a hot potato. Donkey Kong, maybe 46.80. Neo. AMC's coming in pretty good here, guys. Let's keep our eyes on that. Yeah, I don't see anything in Neo. Soxel. Holy crap. Soxel 43.85 is good on the trend. 43.85, 43.60. It's good. We'll go 43. Oh, I'm on a 15-minute. Sorry. Whoa, Nelly. I'm going to wait in Soxel. Let's see what the market does. Everything's pulling back now, guys. Sold 25 a.m. puts for this week. Don't go there before next week. I don't know. I just haven't liked the stock for since we broke 54. We've been short. So we'll see what happens with that. Space. Bounced. Cancel space for now. All right, take a breath, ladies and gents, and let's see if we can get some follow-through on the downside in this market now. SGOC still halted? I think it is. A lot of people in the room have puts already, but we can short AMC. AMC is shortable with interactive brokers. All right. Let's go Baba 212. I like that. Boom, boom, boom. I like Baba 212. It's good. Myrna, we missed it completely. AMC's coming in here. Come on, baby. Give us 35.30 in AMC. Then we look for the fall from moving average trade. Snow. Yeah, Snow didn't hit any kind of level. I don't see it. CLNE. Klein dead. If you like Klein, you buy a little. You put it back. Snow hit the 15-minute 200. All right. Come on, Baba and AMC. Keep going. SGOC. I hate SGOC. I hate it with a passion. I mean, if this goes sideways up here, it's still a better buy, SGOC. Believe it or not. It's still a better buy. Cancel my SQ because it came. Cancel Soxel, right? I think SGOC is going to be up all morning, at least for a while anyway. Adam, we don't post trades unless we tell everybody we got in them first. Klein is dead money. I don't see anything in Klein, guys. I looked at it. I just don't see anything. You know, that's anytime I look at a stock that's 6, 7, 5, 8, 9, 4. If you like the story, you buy it, you put it away. But not for trading. Marin 12.35 probably works in Marin. I mean, that'd be down $2, right? You get a bounce off that. AMC bounced a little bit. All right, we're going to leave our 35.30 out to start in AMC. Oh, CLNN. I'm sorry, Happy. Let me look. CLNN. Oh, it's kind of the same thing. CLNN. Oh, was this a meme stock? I mean, 12 and then 11 is some support in CLNN. 12 and 11. You got some support in CLNN. Array, No volume. I wouldn't even look at it to do anything. What do you bid? What are you bidding 182.35 in? Wow, AMC bounced nicely. All right. I mean, it probably gave the far from moving average trade down there, AMC. But let's just leave our order out in case. We don't usually look at anything below $10. Yeah, we probably got the far from moving average trade in AMC right there, right around 36.20. I still don't think it's done going down now. So are you bidding in JP Morgan? Where you bidding? Right here, 155.70, JP Morgan. All right, did you get hit? 155.60 it just got to. All right, if you got a little JP Morgan on a trend, good. Have a tight stop. See what the next move is. I don't mind that. It did pull all the way back nicely. All right, you might get a chance to get filled. See what happens. I don't think we're getting Baba, right, guys? No, let's give it another minute, Baba. See what happens. Plug dumping. All right. Plug, we got 26.60. Could be a nice spot and plug for a quick trade. Baba just bounced. I'm up 30% in Baba. That's nice. Good. Excellent. I love it. I still think AMC is going lower. SGOC trying 13.50. All right. Let's put it out small. If it holds, we can add to it. It halted still. SGOC. Why am I not getting a market maker in this thing? Oh, there it is. 13.50. Yeah, I see it. All right, we'll do 13.50 small. If it holds, we'll jump on in with some size. I like it. Fubo, Clove, T-Doc. Clove, I see nothing, guys. T-Doc, it's sitting on a pivot point right now, T-Doc. If you like the stock, it's down $4. Then you got 150, 150 in T-Doc. Yeah, Richard. 150, 150 is probably good in T-Doc. Yes. Tesla. I got nothing in Tesla until 652. You tell me what you got there. 662. I don't see anything, but if you got a level there, let me know. I don't see it. I don't see it, guys and gals. Cancel AMC. Material sector is green. Soxel. Now you can try to trend at 43.95. That's okay. It's Soxel. Snow bounced. APHI is dead. Space bounced. Baba bounced. All right. Cancel Baba. All right. You guys in JP Morgan with Solly at 155.65. Have a stop. See what this market's going to do. I'm not loving anything right now, guys. Honestly, I'm being patient here. I'm not loving anything. I'm not seeing anything great that's setting up. I'm just not loving anything. Bank looks like a better short, guys, after the earnings. That's what all these bank stocks do. They have great earnings and they go down. SGOC up to 14 small. Okay, let's do it. And keep SGOC small. If it shows us it's going to hold these levels, we'll jump in with some size. All right, but we don't want it to start fading and then just fade for the rest of the day. But we'll look at 14 again. All right, Jeremy, if you want to keep I don't think inflation is transitory either, but whatever. That's ours is not the reason why, right? We'll just trade what they put in front of us. That's all. That's all we can do. Diana, what are you out of? And Brian, what stock are you talking about? MDIA? Let's take a look. Oh, yeah, nice looking MDIA. Boom, chaka-laka laka. MDIA looks like a nice buy, guys. Yes. Just another meme stock. I don't know what it is, but that looks really nice. MDIA. We should be buying that on a pullback, Peter. Yes. Probably won't get one, but let's watch for consolidation. Watch for anything. Yeah, we traded that the other day. All right. It looks good on the long side, guys. It just got halted. All right, there you go. All right. Myrna's a buy, guys, on a pullback. Yes, trend trade, Myrna. Yes, 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 yes. Buy, 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 buy. AMC bouncing, so GameStop must be bouncing. Yes. GameStop could be a short at 182.50, although it tested it once today, so I don't know how crazy I am about that. But it is up $6. I know nobody likes to hear short in GameStop. You hold MDIA, Rich? Oh, nice. Indication is, let's take a peek. Right here, 1127. Hey, Matt, you could have just bought on the trend at 138.30. Diana, if you were watching it, could have just grabbed it on the trend. Yeah, I'm not crazy about JP Morgan. Alf. All right, it seems like we're back in this meme stock territory, guys. All these other ones they're starting to buy now, right? So Alf, if we get above 1140, could be good. They're starting to get involved in these things again. So Alf is a better buy than sell. 100%. Clove, I don't see anything right now. Again, AMAT's on the trend right now. GameStop. That's not GameStop. That's Game. Qualcomm bull flag. Yes. Consolidating to go higher. Qualcomm. Absolutely. All right, SGOC. We're trying to buy some at 14. If we get this pullback here, we'll see if it holds. If it gets there. It was 14.25 actually, right? And then 13.30. So let's have out 13.30 in SGOC small again. And we'll see if it holds. 13.30. Boom, chaka-laka laka. Oops, I just bought 25 shares at the market instead of 13.30. So whenever you have an error, you get out of your error immediately. Let me put my order in now first at 13.30. Holds 13.30. We can size up a little bit. Any talk on Clover? Let me look. Clover. Now, again, Clover, if you like it, you buy a little bit. I don't see anything there. MDIA hold. Let's look. Didn't we just talk about this about 10 seconds ago? That it was good from the buy side? Not halted, but it's going up. Whack a doodle. Wow, I mean, it's hard to try to get involved in these things. You know? We're leaving 1330 in SGOC, guys. Let's see what happens if we pull back there. Yeah, I mean, again, Clove, you buy it if you like the story. That's all. Who put up CLSN? Really? CLSK? I miss a lot of stuff early, Brandy. It's hard for me to keep up with everything. We're trying. Yeah, but it hasn't really do much anyway. JP Morgan. Yeah, again, I'm not crazy about JP Morgan. I don't know. It's going to trade with the market. Oh, Kane. Kane is another little one. I see it. That could go. Jeez Louise. It's all about these wackadoodle stocks today, guys and gals. All right? There aren't any real stocks that are trading at all today. Yeah, we're watching SGOC. See if it goes sideways here and gives you a green bar. Then you can jump in a little SGOC here, guys. Let's see which way it goes from here. CLSK is a Bitcoin play. What's Bitcoin doing? At least it's bouncing a little. It looks a little better. Nothing is going because there isn't much volume. That is true. Yeah, MDIA got halted. You guys got to find the stocks that you feel have a low price but also has large volume of trading. Correct. Exactly, Happy. Space kind of bottomed. Talked about that this morning. It's not a trade right now. I wouldn't run in and buy it. Plug, I'm sure, did the same exact thing, right? Yes. I still don't like AMC, guys. This couldn't even get above the 9. And we got the 36.22. Whack. Almost got the fall for moving average trade, but not quite. ATAI. No volume in ATAI. Nothing we would do. Netflix. Netflix is a trend trade, guys, on a pullback. TAOP. It's not up 10% anymore. What do you want to do? Buy or sell 35 puts? I would buy them. I wouldn't sell them. I don't want to be long this stock. If I was doing anything, I'd sell 30. I'd buy 35 puts, not sell. Got 20 cents on AMAT. So far, kind of held the level. I don't like JP Morgan, guys. CLSK is a Ponzi scheme. Well, you know what, guys and gals? I don't care what's a Ponzi scheme or what's not. Let's just trade. You know? Anyone in their right mind that think these stocks are worth where they're trading right now is wackadoodle anyway. Well, JP Morgan didn't cost you any money, guys. I mean, it didn't break by 50 cents, and it's trading right where it was. Right? So, no biggie. Let's see what the next move in SGOC is. If I was doing, again, guys, I feel like we missed a big part of this AMC down move. So I don't know how aggressive I want to be buying puts now. But if I was doing anything, it would be for this week. I don't know how expensive they are, but it would be for this week. 35s. I wanted to do it yesterday and the day before. It's like now it's down so far that they're probably going to be expensive. I bet you they're $1 or more. Yeah, they're $1.50 now. We were looking at those at 35 cents on Monday. The 35 puts. So, I mean, it's probably still worth it if you want to just make a trade, but I feel like I missed it. Honestly. Ken, you sold 35 puts, so you're willing to be long. How far out, Kent? Oh, you mean you had the 35 puts and you made money on them and got out of them? Yes, I got it. I got it. Good. Kramer says Wells Fargo and Citibank are worth buying. Next person who mentions Kramer in my room, I'm kicking out of the room. First $1,000 day, I am done. We'll watch and hunt for stuff with you guys. Nice job, Chris. Chris, post the trades you're doing so we can all do them and be making $1,000. Oh, you did the 35s yesterday, Ken, or before. Beautiful. Excellent. Kramer's like Citibank. Yeah, we should short the shit out of Citibank. Pardon my language. Bank of America. Please. SGOC halted again. Oh my God, kiss my ass. Did it get to 14? Nope, never got to 14. All right, cancel that. Oh, now we're indicated 1550 in MD. MDIA halted down. Guys, this is like playing Russian roulette with these things. It really is. Right? It's crazy. It's like playing Russian roulette. I mean, you want to talk about gambling in a casino, that's what these things are right now. This was indicated at 16. It was indicated at 14. Soxo worked off the 15-minute EMA. All right, good. Yeah, you got 30, 40 cents. That's good. That's good. That's good. Yeah, I mean, volatility is fine. I know. SGOC, we were bidding 14 for a moment. I know. It's indicated at 16 now, again. I don't know, guys. I've been trading for 35 years. I have trouble trading these things. You know, they pull back the trends. They can get halted. They go up. They can get halted. It's a crapshoot. I think what we did yesterday or the day before in SGOC is, you know, buy little bits on the way down. But here's what happens with these things, too. Sometimes later in the day, they just stop going up and they go down for the rest of the day. But, you know, we're going to put a bid in SGOC at 1380. It'll open at 14, get halted, and then open at 11. Right? I mean, who knows? It's whack. Let's put a little bit out of 13 in case it opens and smacks down there. Then we can add to it. Yeah, put a little up. Apple's incredible. I sold Apple for the first time yesterday in probably about 5 years. And I hope I'm wrong and it keeps going higher, but I'm going to have some puts when earnings come out in this thing because it's just getting a little bit ahead of itself. Look at the weekly chart in Apple. I mean, that is stretched, right? That is stretched on a weekly chart. So I hope it keeps going up until earnings come out, and then I'll buy some puts going into earnings because I'm long, you know, a shitload of the stock anyway for 25 years, but we'll see what happens. I think it's getting stretched. I think Microsoft's getting stretched too on a daily and weekly level. Now, I'm not saying these stocks aren't great and you can't be buying them. You certainly can. 100%. But long term, you know, I think you'll get better prices to get in these things. Personally. How do you view the indicator in interactive brokers? Well, it just, in your market maker, it shows you where it's indicated. All right, we'll add a little CPOP at 10. We sold most of that above 11, so that's good. That's why you sell, guys. Sell. Netflix. Again, this is longer term in the CPOP, guys. Netflix is beautiful long, too. I mean, I would not be shorting Netflix. We're going to have a long conversation in my room today, guys and girls. I'm going to invite you guys to come in later on, but we're going to talk about money management today, how to get the most out of your good trades, how to lose the least in your bad trades. A lot of people are having trouble with that. So we're going to have a nice long conversation today about all that stuff. I'll invite you guys to come into the room. Do I think SGOC will get to the pivot? Why not? The pivot's 20. After what I've seen with space, I can't watch this seriously. What do you see in space, CC? And if you can't watch it seriously, you don't have to. It's okay. What, that we got into a trade and they halted? That's the inherent risk of trading. We ended up having a great day that day. And it wasn't that big a loss. I think I lost $300,000 that trade and made $800,000 another trade later that day. You can't cut when something gets halted, CC. When you're in a trade and something gets halted, there's absolutely nothing you can do about it. Yeah, we made it all back. And then some. SGOC open. So anyway, this isn't for everybody. What I do isn't for everybody. It's okay. Everybody has their own opinions. Do what you got to do. 1412. Let's try a little SGOC, guys. 1412. Again, do it small. If it holds, we'll add to it. That's the trend now. 1412 and 1330. You've never seen anybody have a losing trade? Well, you've probably never seen anybody trade the markets live with real money and put their ass on the line every single day also. So I was caught twice this week on halts. Yeah, I mean, it happens. There's nothing you can do about it. XELA. And it's nothing in XELA, guys. I don't see anything there. I don't see it. We'll see if SGOC goes sideways up here for a little bit for another buy. I mean, it's due for a little pullback. Let's see what happens. Got to 1764. Jeez Louise. That's crazy. No, I have a huge training program, Odie. Huge. Yes, we'll talk about it before we get out of here today. Buddy was just Buddy was just trolling. Who's trolling? CC Invest is trolling. All right, whatever. Where are you trying MDIA, guys? 960. MDIA. You like MDIA at 960, guys? We'll try it. Lou, did you post that 960? MDIA? Someone posted it. We got 960 and 920. No? Anyone like MDIA? Talk to me, gooses. What are you trying? 920? I mean, the stock was $12. Yeah, I'll tell you what we'll do. We'll do 960 and 920, but very small. 960, 920. If it holds 920, we could size up a little bit. Give it a crack. Give it a shot. Lincoln took a shot once. In bank at 38.50. All right. Bank looks like a horrible downtrend to me, but maybe you get a bounce from here. Maybe. See, when stocks are going down, I want to be short. You can always get a bounce, but technically, the stock looks like it wants to go lower. Technically. So I would have a tight stop, see what it does. SGOC is not going to pull back. I don't think. So let's see if we can buy out a consolidation. If it hangs here a little bit. MDIA bounced. It certainly did. Wah, wah. Let's leave 920 out. We ain't getting SGOC at the moment anywhere. Myrna might give a chance. Let's take a look, guys. Is Alf still a buy? I don't know about Alf. I mean, if it holds these levels, yes, it's good, Mario. So you got 1120 and 1090. So if you get a little green bar from here, excuse me. If you get a little green bar from here, it's probably okay. Right? It hit the trend line at 1115. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So thank you. I mean, SGOC just keeps going sideways and then ripping up, right? But it's not even going sideways enough to give us a chance to get in it. Geekos. All right, I like Geekos down there. I stopped out break even on Citibank. Why? Citibank never broke that trend, right? Richard? Myrna? Oh. Whoa, sneeze number 3. That should be it, guys and girls. Myrna's a nice trend trade. Yes, I like it. SQ. SQ, you like the 9, 244.30? All right, Jeremy. That looks good. Jump on in. AMC. Whoa, 35.30, right? All right. AMC is going to get exactly to my level. Crazy. Putting a marker at 35.30 in AMC. If we break this, let's go look for the next level. Anyone who just did those 35 puts is going to get paid. Boom chakalaka. Next spot in AMC is 33.85. And if it doesn't hold that level, this thing's going back to $20. So I don't even like it here. I'm putting a marker at 34. That's a spot. That'll be a far from moving average trade. That's where we'll get a trade out of it. Boom chakalaka. What up, Shannon C? SGOC buy. Yeah, no kidding, Lou. Tell me where. Buy. We can't get in. It's not giving us a level. Charting software, everybody is Thinkorswim. Everybody in my trading room is using Thinkorswim for charting. Doesn't cost anything. You can get Thinkorswim. We walk you through how to do it in our course. I think we all lost our chance in SGOC. Baba, I like 212 if we go in that direction, guys. 212. Yeah, we probably should. How do I join your trading group? We'll talk about that a little later, Lou. We have an incredible course that we've curated that is 6 hours long that people can buy, where we give you continued mentorship every week. I'll tell you about that. And then I'll invite everybody to come in and hang out in my trading room for the rest of this week. This is the last week I'm having any visitors. My private trading room is full, but I'll invite you guys to come in for the rest of this week and answer any questions. Today will be a good day for everybody to come in because I'm doing a money management lesson that we all need. Everybody. We got to straighten out some of the people. Yeah, AMC got to that 35.80, right? Not quite. So I don't even like it now. Next spot we got in AMC now. I mean, we were right for 20 points in this thing since it broke 54. I mean, it's a big level, right? We're sitting right on the daily level in AMC. The weekly is not far away at about $34. So let's see what we do from here. I think it's going to go lower. I think we get to that $34 level. Let's see. Where do you see bank? I don't see bank anywhere. It's just a nice downtrend. You know, there's some support at 37.50. Got stopped out of MDIA. What happened? Again, we weren't even buying any MDIA till 920. We'll see. And if it holds 920, we can add to it. If it doesn't, who cares what it does? But 920 is the last support. I'm going in SGOC at 16 on the 1 minute. That's the 1 minute. Let's look. It's actually 17, Lou. $17 is the 1 minute now. You got 17 and 16.40. It's going to get halted again on the upside in a minute. First time watching live. I'm enjoying you so, David. Thank you. Thank you, Ray. Appreciate it. I know AMC is sitting right on its daily level. Yep. But if it breaks, we're going to see that 34 level, which will be a nice spot to make a trade. He thinks. I don't even like this MDIA anymore, guys. I think the stock could be done for the day. MDIA, you buy if it starts going up from here, but otherwise, I don't even like it. Yes, moving averages and pivot points. Moving averages, pivot points, relative strength, and money management. That's what this market's, that's what we trade on. And it's all technical analysis, period. Lulu calls on my you take on Roblex and GRWD. Let's take a look. Roblex, nice support at 80 if we get there. A little longer view. This thing could see 76 on a pullback in the market. I just got SGOC on the 10-second chart. I love it. Yeah, I mean, JP Morgan never broke Solly's level. You know, it's up 40 cents now. Never really broke it. Okay, Chris, I'll give you everything that we use. We use a 9, a 15, a 65, and a 200 exponential moving average. 9, 15, 65, and 200. We use pivot points and a relative strength index set at 20 and 80. That's everything that we use. Look, how many people in this room are actively trading? Give me a 1 if you're actively trading. Like, you know, at some points during the day, or you're an active day trader. My Benzinga people. I know the guys in my room are actively trading. I'm talking to Benzinga. There's 150 people in my private trading room right now. That gives us about 48 visitors right now. In 2 weeks, I have my live boot camp. And this is probably the last week I'm taking any visitors. Our room is sold out. But when you come in, we can talk about that if you guys want. If you want to come in and hang out in the room for today, tomorrow, and Friday, I will make that available to everybody. And we'll talk about our course before we get out of here today, which is unbelievable for beginning traders, advanced traders. And 14 is a time period for the RSI. Well, the course is just spectacular, guys. 6 hours, and it comes with mentorship every Thursday night. I walk you through the course every Thursday night, and we've made it very, very affordable. 660 watching and only 104 likes. That's pretty sad. I have learned more in the last 20 minutes than the whole month I have been losing money in AMC. There you go. Yeah, I mean, one of my biggest things is money management. And again, guys, you come into the room later, we're going to talk about that all day. Yes, can you guys log over to Benzinga and give me some likes, people in my room? Studied the course this week. It is spectacular. There you go. Boom. Yeah, the course is spectacular, by the way. Bank, I don't like bank. Again, I told you guys I don't like bank. I don't see it doing anything. I don't like bank. We're already losing volume. Well, here's the gig, guys, okay? Nobody in my room is getting caught in any of these stocks. Having a hard time knowing where to enter a trade and when to sell. Are you able to assist with that? Of course, Peter. That's what we're teaching you here. Yes. We're entering trades on our moving averages or our pivot point or our VWAP, purely based on our technical analysis. And then we have a plan on every single trade that we do of how much money we're willing to lose and how much money we want to make. So yes, Peter, that's what the boot camp is for. That's what the course is for. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. So there's 600 people in here. We got 177 likes. All right, listen, sometimes I'm not a very likable guy. I get it. SGOC. What are you doing? Where are you buying it? 17? What's the spot, Lou? Talk to me, Goose. Ooh, you're in at 17.20? That was the 1 minute. Well, I don't know where the halt is in this thing. But, 16 is a spot to buy a little bit. So let's have that out. And again, I'm doing this very small because if it doesn't hold, that could be the end of this thing. If it does hold, we can size up. If you tell the truth and use no drama, people won't like you now. Yeah, that's true, Dana. Boombot. Nobody loses money on paper trading. It's true. Nobody loses money paper trading. It's amazing when you're paper trading and then you switch over to a real trading account, how different it is, right? It's true. Again, I do not like bank. I've been saying it all morning. This looks like a better short than a buy. I do not like bank. 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 What, Lou? You bought a little at 17 here? You're not waiting for 16? Yeah, I hear you doing. The course is very cheap, guys. The course is like $440. It's over 6 hours of live teaching. Well, not live, but it's me. Yeah, we're going to add some CPOP at 10. It's only $447. You get me every Thursday night, continued mentorship forever. It's 6 hours. It's just great. It's beautiful. We'll talk about it before we get out of here. And then I'll invite everybody into the room. All right, see what happens in Soxel. Double top in Citibank. Nah, it hardly went down $1. Losing SGOC at 17. Did anyone join Lou at 17? That was a nice little spot. Start taking profits at 17.50 if you got it. So that was the 1 minute. Well, it actually broke the 1 minute, but if you're in at 17, I would have a break-even stop now. Start taking profits, in the 40s, guys, if it gets there. No, I mean, bank's just not a stock I'm not going to trade. Ken, you're in at 16.82. Beautiful. So, guys, take some profits. Okay, you're at 17.50 now. Ha ha ha. Lou, I hear you. I hear you, Lou. That's great. That's a good position to be in, though, Lou. Really is. Lou, you never sell at SGOC? Come on, I just told you to take profits at 17.50. What's wrong with you? Thank you for serving, sir. That's why I reset my paper trading closer to my live account. Multi claims it. Yeah, that's what you got to do, Sunky. You got to at least make it realistic. Yes. All right, AMC, guys. 34 is the spot. I'll tell you what. If we don't get a bounce off of 33.80, this stock is done. Like going back to 20. So, but I think we will get a bounce at 33.80. Let's see what happens. Did anyone do the 40 puts? The 35 puts in AMC? Those are legendary in the money now already. Let's take a look. I think they were $1.50, something like that, right? When we look. There you go. $2.20 now, guys. We looked at them this morning. They were $1.50. Boom, chaka-laka laka. If this thing breaks 35, they start going dollar for dollar for dollar for dollar. Yep. Let's see what happens. Still got 3 days, too. Well, Trent, that's another thing. I am in SoFi for a swing trade, Carter. I am in this stock on the IPO. I think my average cost is like 8, something like that. But I like it long term. Yes, SoFi is one of my holdings that I'm holding for a while. I like SoFi long term. Not doing anything now. I think there's a couple more lockup periods going on that could bring it down a little bit from here. Yeah, again, I mean, if you grab the little MDIA at 920, I would have a 9 stop. This could be done for the rest of the day now, guys. What did I tell you guys, a half hour ago? This is what happens with these things sometimes. Then they're just done. That's it. Done and doner. That's probably what's going to happen with this thing now. That's why I didn't want to buy any. Could happen with SGOC too. So let's see. If this doesn't hold the trend at 16, we could see 15. We could see, $15. We'll see. That's why we have a marker out at 16. If it looks like it's going to hold, we'll jump on in. 15.50 is a spot too, Lou. So we'll do that too. Let's do 10 shares at 16 and 20 shares at 15.50. So we're not going to get hurt no matter what happens. Yes, AMC broke the 65. I'm so glad I found Benzinga. You guys are the best, and thank you. Yeah, well, another thing. Benzinga is by far the best trading and information platform out there. It's just the greatest. I couldn't trade without it. One trade sometimes in Benzinga, when you get in a little bit early, it pays for the entire thing. All right, so we got a tiny bit at 16 in this. We're going to put out 16.40. Try to turn a quick 40 cents on it if we can. We'll add at 15.50. AMC could just be a short if it breaks here. I agree, Trent. That's a great observation. It's not necessarily about doing the right things as much as avoiding the wrong things. That is insane. That is a great, great point. DD, let's sell a little at 13, guys. Right? We'll sell a little DD at 13. We're long DD at 12. Why do you use 5-minute charts on candles? Well, we're starting with a 5-minute chart on our candlesticks. And we will expand if we don't have any support or resistance on a candles on our 5-minute chart. So we're always starting on a 5-minute chart. And then we will expand that to a 15 or a 30. Where are you looking, SGOC? 15.50? Yeah, we'll try a little at 15.50 if we get down there. And then we got 15. 15 will be the last support if it gets there. I mean, Trent, this game is all about money management. Our technical analysis you're going to see over time works really, really well. It just works. It works a lot more than it doesn't. So then it's just a matter of getting the money management involved. See where we go from there. SPY is tanking. SPY came in a little bit. Yes. Soxo long at 43.50. Okay. Let's look. All right. Again, Sal, I'm not in a hurry to buy anything here. If you like it there, you got to add at 43.10. It's only 30 cents from here. That's fine. All right. Again, if you're in it, just be careful. It's fine. Look at AMC, guys. Here we go. 34 and 33.50 would be the far from moving average trade. We're getting there. Let's see what happens. So we only have a marker at 34. I'm going to put out 10 shares at 33.50. We'll start buying a little for a trade. AMC, 33.50. Because that will be the far from moving average trade. So everything we do, guys, is just based on technical analysis. So we just took 40 cents out of SGOC. That was nice, guys. Everybody get in and out of SGOC for 40 cents. Boom, chaka laka laka. We'll see what the next move is. Cancel in 1550. AMC is over. We thought so 20 points ago in AMC. So, yes, I don't know what it's going to do now. All right, that was a good trade in SGOC. I just didn't trust really that it was going to hold the trend, but it did. Richard got a couple of bucks in SGOC. Okay. The credits are rolling and the ushers are sweeping the popcorn. I mean, my thesis on this thing has always been that they were going bankrupt before the pandemic. Well, why is this any different now? They can't raise any more money without shareholder approval, which they're not going to get because they diluted the stock already. They have $11 billion in debt. Who the hell would want to own this thing? No one's ever going to take them over, right? That I think of. All right, let's go back to this SGOC and see what we got. Start breaking down now. 1503. We'll buy a little, and if it holds, we can add to it. 1503. Thanks, Dave. Small green on SG, trying to apply everything from the boot camp. All right, Christian. Look, if you're a room member, you got another boot camp coming up too. So, Palantir, this was a level we were looking at, right? Yeah, I mean, this is coming up to the daily or weekly, right? Daily, I think. Yeah, you got 2170 in Palantir. We were on Palantir at $16 last time it made this ridiculous move down. So you got 2170 and 1960 in Palantir. 2170 and 1960. I'll probably wait till 1960 because I think the market can come in a little bit from here. No, I'm not buying Palantir yet. Not for a stud. Look at Citibank, guys. Just got the smackdown down $2. Holy mackerel. What's going on at Citibank? Conference call. Started at 10 o'clock. There you go. Boom, chaka laka laka. That's why Citibank just did this, guys. Conference call started 30 minutes ago. They must have just said something that somebody doesn't like. Right? Holding what purchase, Buffalo? Yeah, I don't think I'm in a hurry to be buying stocks today, guys. I'll tell you why. Because I think the market can just start going down a little bit. Yep, 35.20 in space is the daily. I don't like it now. Great thing about what we do, guys, is we don't have to do anything and we can change our mind. That's the beautiful thing about what we do, right? Space is sitting on a weekly level. And if we break this 35.28, there's nothing till $30. So why do I want to get involved in these things when the market is going down? And the market hasn't even started going down. So, why do we want to do this? I'm okay. I'm not in a hurry. We can pick the spots we want to get in. Period. Yeah, we're getting a little bounce in AMC. What are you hoping for in SGOC, guys? I was short City, sold out, and it created 2 minutes after I got out. That stinks. 13.26, you're buying SGOC. Hey, it wouldn't shock me if we got that. 15.03. Oh, we just bought a little at 15.03. All right, we got 14.30 below that. Telling you, sometimes these things stop. That's the end of it, and they're done for the day. So that's why I'm doing everything very, very small. Try a little bit at 14.30. And if it breaks that, this thing is done. We'll see what happens. Yeah, but I like 14.30. We'll try a little bit there. Yeah, and if it breaks 14.30, then we're done for the day with this thing. Palantir goes down every day. Well, eventually it'll stop going down. I can't tell you where. SoFi, $15. We'll buy a little SoFi to add to our position. Again, guys, there's no reason to be in a hurry in anything right now when the market looking bad like this. I'm not going to run in and buy stocks now. There goes AMC. 33.50 will be the far from moving average trade in AMC. 33.50. So let's see if we get there. Everything's breaking down now, guys and girls. All right? So take a chill pill. And I'm not in a hurry. The only way I'm buying AMC is a far from moving average trade, which around 33.50 it will be. So let's do it. Do it. I don't even like 34 now. Let's wait for 33.50. Turning on the Schwartz. Turning on the Schwartz. I got the AMC long at your level and the sell short at the retrails. Going both ways, as they say. All right, good. Good. Yeah, I'll buy SGOC at 14.30 and we'll have a 14 stop. Not risking that much in this thing. Yes. Yes. Now everything's bouncing a little bit. But I'm telling you, this is what happens with these things sometimes. The bloom just gets off the rose and they're done. It will stop at the bottom. I like that one. It'll stop when it doesn't go down anymore. That is correct. Facebook 385 and change is good. MasterCard. Oh, that's 385 and change. MasterCard. Bank getting crushed. As we said, bank was never a buy, guys. Never, ever was bank a buy. Facebook bidding 348. All right. I like it if we get down there fast. Rocket Man. My first time trading UVXY today. Did you buy a little bit? Yeah, this thing don't trade, though. It does not trade UVXY. Keep everything very small, guys, in SGOC, okay? I don't want this turning into anything. We get back up to 1490 or so. We'll just get out. Little bounce. Little bounce. Where are we long? This 1503? Yeah, I'm going to get out of 1489. I don't like it. Let's wait and see pop. Let's wait. No hurry. All right, I got to out of SGOC break even, guys. If you get 15, 20, 30, start selling it a little higher. I mean, it never broke. And if we got 14.30, it would have been beautiful. Going to have some resistance at around 15.40 now. So I would take my trade. I don't think the banks are a buy yet. No. I do not. Between 15.40 and 15.50, I would take my profits in SGOC. Get a couple of bucks out of it. Lou wants 15.90 and he's done for the day. Come on, baby. Light my fire. We couldn't get 1430. That's a home run, right? If we got 1430. All right, guys, I would be out up here. Take your 50 cents. Boom. Sold half, okay. I would have a 1530 stop now. Space turning. It could be. I don't like it yet. Well, you should have never got stopped out on a downside, Dana. That's why we did it very, very small. But you shouldn't have got stopped out. Dana, you had 1,200 shares. Diana, very nice. Yeah, 1502, but I said no stop order. We wanted to add at 1430. Okay. So when we got in at 1502, I said we want to add at 1430. That's why we had it small. Yes. And we didn't get there. And now everybody just got out at 1550. Boom, chaka laka laka. I don't want to have an order in that. No, that's why it was a good quick trade, Richard. In, out. Small entry on bank. Again, in bank, I'm not saying we can't bounce from here, but you're trying to catch a falling knife. That's the bottom line. You know, I mean, it could go up 20 cents from here, but I'm not making trades to make 20 cents. Yeah, again, guys, now we wait in SGOC. We don't do anything. We wait. I don't know, Hertz Glamour, but you're not hearing from much of them anymore, right? I would not be doing any long-term buying in anything at these levels at the market. Just my personal opinion. I don't know, Ted, because I missed a lot of trades. Guys, is the room making money today? You guys tell me. Foxel, nice at 43.10. Yeah, so everybody in the room is making some money today, yes. And everybody at Benzinga is making some money. 8 green trades, none red. There you go. All right, Solly. Did anyone else get in Solly in this Soxo at 43.10? Take some profits, guys. Boom, chaka laka laka. No doubt about that, Trent. The market does not care if you have positions. That is right. Yeah, guys, my thing is not the trading aspect of it. It doesn't matter how much money I make trading or lose trading or whatever. I'm teaching people how to trade. You see, I'm trading 10 or 20 shares. I have 152 people right now in the private trading room. And my goal is to guide everybody through all the trades that we're doing. I do have a live trading account. I do every single trade that lines up. But my room had a very nice day today. Yeah, I don't think I like that anymore. Space. I think space can go lower. If this breaks 35.20, I think we're going to 30 in space. So I'm going to wait. I make money most days, 70%, but I make more here. There you go, Diana. Diana, are you part of our room now? Have you signed up for the boot camp? You will be. Okay, cool beans. All right, Lou, get out of here. SGOC, let's look. Yeah, I mean, look, SGOC, now if we go sideways here a little bit and gets going above 1550, it's a better buy. So I don't see any options. AMC finally bouncing a little bit. Yeah. 34.25 AMC. I mean, we broke it. 35.80 is the daily. And we didn't get to my 33.80. That was it. 33.80. So that could have been a short-term bottom, definitely in AMC. I am not looking to short AMC. Let's put it that way. We wanted the 33.80. That was the spot that would have been spectacular, and we missed it by 40 cents. I mean, that would have been great. We didn't get there. Yes, IB is better than TD for short sales. Louis just paid for the Benzinga Pro in 1 day. There you go. Boom chakalaka, Louis. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. IRDM long with 38.20 entry. IRDM long. I'll take a look for you. First of all, IRDM is nothing that we would ever trade. I'll tell you why. All right, Ken, nice job. Doesn't trade enough volume. Stock only trades 500,000 shares a day in IRDM. And we're not looking to do anything unless it trades at least 1 million shares a day in volume. And my spot would be 37.20 in IRDM. That's the daily level. And then you got 35. Dave, going to try small, long SGOC. All right, keep it very small now. We made our money in this stock today. I said if it gets above 1550, so there you go. Again, Diana, you had a really good day. Just trade this now. In, out, in, out, in, out. And there's your 1590, Lou. Stop trying to buy bank, guys. Bank, I've said $1 ago, is just a short. Right? Yes. It is not a buy. UPIPO? Yeah. Not interested. Just under 700 people watching and only 230 likes. Oh, my goodness. I guess we're not doing well enough today. I mean, I've heard from 50 people in Benzinga that crushed it today based on our calls. All right. 700 people. Wow. We are losing all volume, guys. NVIDIA is a stock that I love long term. I have for a long time, but I cannot trade it. It is my nemesis. Abhini. I can't trade it. Every time I trade NVIDIA, I lose money. It just doesn't work for me. For years. Now, this thing is splitting soon, 4 for 1, so it'll be a $200 stock. I'll be interested in starting to trade it again. Long term, the stock has been spectacular. I mean, it just has been. Just be careful in SGOC now, anybody who's made a bunch of money in it. Okay? I don't want anyone to give any money back in SGOC. So, please. Neo. Look, it is for some people. Ty, NVIDIA is a tremendous trading stock. For some people, just for me. You know, at the end of every month, I want you to go and look at your trading and you look at what stocks you've done really good in and what stocks you don't do good in. And avoid the stocks that you've done bad in and go more heavily into the stocks that you've done good in. I can't trade UPST. I can't trade NVIDIA. More SoFi at 1540. I like that. SoFi at 1540 to add. That's fine. Do I see Apple continuing to go up? Apple is a tough call for me right now. I've owned Apple for a long, long time. I made a sale yesterday for the first time in a couple of years. I think it's getting really stretched on a weekly chart going into the earnings. All right, JJ. You know, look at this. This is very stretched out for Apple. We are now 20 points above our moving average on the weekly. Okay? So I think it's getting a little bit overdone to the upside. And if it continues this till the earnings come out, I will buy some puts. You know, the earnings are coming out. Come on the 27th, so 13 days from now. So I kind of hope it keeps going up, and then I'll buy some puts. If I'm wrong, I'll still make money on the stock going up. I'll sign up for your course if I make that cash today. Yeah, number one, if we don't have 300 likes, I'm not letting anybody in the room for the rest of the day. How about that? Boom, chakalaka laka. We'll talk about the course in a little bit. So Tuesday, July 20th, NVIDIA splits. There you go. Boom. Might have missed the boat in AMC, guys, but whatever. Cancel that for now. More likely this day is over than not now, is my guess. Unless we get some SGOC. DD getting up a little bit. Yeah, we bought DD when nobody wanted to buy DD, right? We certainly didn't buy it what Kramer said to at $18 and buy the many as you can. Oh, I don't want to look at SGOC now. You son of a bitch wad. Look, it broke 1550. It went down to 15. I mean, it's crazy. If I avoid stocks I did bad on, I would have to stop investing. I'm talking about trading. Hurt. You know that. I'm not talking about investing. I'm talking about trading. Two different animals, right? We all have our long-term investments. Soxel. Soxel. All right, guys. Got 50 cents in Soxel off Solly's call. Boom chakalaka laka. Very nice. Disney. Not enough movement in here. I don't see it. I am not shorting Apple, guys. The stock is not stretched. There's no reason to short Apple for a trade. I mean, it's not stretched at all. It's just not. It's overdone on a daily and weekly chart, but it's not stretched for a trade, right? Remember, everything we do is for a trade. I know, Bri. It's just crazy, right? I mean, 15 minutes ago, the stock looked like it was going to go back to $12, right? So how do you trade something like this? You know, we did the trend. We got 50 cents out of it. Now, I don't know how you trade it now. I don't. Most times we're starting with a 5-minute chart. That is correct. I'll give you an example, okay? So Apple. All right. I have a 5-minute chart of Apple. I have some resistance at 149.50 on a pivot point. My next resistance is 153.67. So I will switch around to see if I have anything in between those levels. I'll go to a 1 hour. We'll go to a 4 hour. I'll go to a daily. And we won't find any in Apple because it's done nothing but go up. But when stocks break like a 15-minute trend or a 5-minute trend, then we'll go look. And we'll see if we have levels on different time frames of the chart. That's it. But we're always starting with a 5-minute. I don't have to go anywhere on SGOC besides my 5-minute chart to find support. You know, I got beautiful support at 14 and then 12.50. I don't need to go any further than that. But if I want to go further out, I'll see I have support at 7 and at 4. But we're always starting on a 5-minute chart. Boom chakalaka laka. Yeah, I can't trust this. Oh, okay. All right, guys. I got 5 minutes, so let me show you guys the first thing I want to offer everybody. And if you're serious about becoming a day trader, if you're struggling, even if you're not struggling, and you want mentorship for the rest of your life, okay? WallStreetGlobalTradingAcademy.com. This is our course that me and Peter have curated. Everyone knows Peter, the Einstein of Wall Street. This is the best trading course that there's ever been developed out there. It's just spectacular. I'm so proud of this. It's 6 hours. 6 hours. I'll show you what it looks like. So once you purchase the course, I think it's $447, and you'll have it forever. Ever. And here's the course once you get in. We start from stock market basics, language of the stock market, money management, which we're going to talk about in my room later, which I'll offer to everybody in a couple of minutes. Chart basics, we set up your charts for you, moving averages in depth, our 5 trading techniques, swing trading, options trading, Bitcoin. But here is the best part of it, guys. Every Thursday night at 5 p.m., you just click on your Zoom link, and I am there to answer any questions you have about the course forever. One-time charge. Every Thursday night, I'm with you, me and Peter, and I walk you through any questions that you have about the course, and we're together every single Thursday night. If you can't make the Thursday nights, it's recorded. Okay? It's recorded. So you can go back and look at the ones that you've missed. They're at least an hour every single one, and go over every single week that we do this. Right? So it's only $447. Okay? That's it. And you get me every Thursday night forever, and it's the best trading course you'll ever buy in your life. I guarantee it. Matter of fact, we have a money back guarantee. So I'm really proud of this course, guys. This has been great for beginning traders and advanced traders. That's WallStreetGlobalTradingAcademy.com. All right. Let me just check the price because I don't know what that is. Let me see. And it's normally $500, and I think now it is $447, and you can do a 3-payment plan. Boom, chaka laka laka. All right. So that's Wall Street Global Trading Academy. No, the room is a completely separate thing. Completely separate from that. That's the course you'll have your whole life, and you'll get me every Thursday night, but it has nothing to do with my trading room, which I'm going to give everybody access to in a couple of minutes. And then you can come in there and we can talk about what the next step is. But that's the course. Okay. Do you have a military discount? Lou, if you come into my room, I'll talk to you about it. I take care of all my people. So that's our course. What are the benefits other than the course and Thursday nights? You're going to learn how to trade, Matt. I mean, that's the benefits. You're going to learn how to trade by watching our course over and over again and being mentored. That's the benefit. Yes, Richard. This is the last week I'm having visitors in my room. Yes. Well, Matt, then you can come hang out, and I can talk to you about becoming a room member. All right? That's different. So anyone who wants to talk about the room, come into my room and we'll talk about that. I have not had a red day trading since I joined Dave's room. Wow. Wow. That's pretty cool. Thank you for that, Jim. All right. Greenroom-live.com. Benzinga just put it up there. You guys can start coming into the room right now. Okay? Just hit the Zoom link and you're in the room. Anyone who wants to purchase the course, I will see you tomorrow night. Anyone who wants to come into the room, you can start doing it now. Okay? Yes, we have live sessions with the course here every Thursday night. We have live sessions with the course every Thursday night. Okay? So go to greenroom-live.com. You can start coming into my room now. Just hit the Zoom link. Last thing I have to talk about before Aaron kicks me off is Benzinga. All right? Free trial, free 2-week trial in Benzinga. I recommend Benzinga Pro for everybody. It is spectacular. I could not trade without it, okay? It is the best news service that is out there. It has scans that you can put up on your charts that are incredible and give you a huge edge, right? So 3 things we talked about today. The course, come and join my room right now. And you got to get a Benzinga Pro. You have to do – what is it, Aaron? We give 2-week free trial, right?
Yes, sir. Yeah, 2-week free trial, no credit card needed. Shout out Lewis in the chat that said he was able to pay for Benzinga Pro in 1 trade today. So thank you for helping him with that, David. Beautiful.
Beautiful. The room is greenroom-live.com, Martin. Okay, there it is. Happy just posted it. You guys can start coming in now. All right, Aaron.
Beautiful.
Great way to end the week. Had a good day today.
Yeah,
We will
be
be back on
Monday
Monday.
morning.
Yes.
Great. All right, David. Well, enjoy the rest of your week and weekend, and we'll see you on Monday.
Absolutely. Thank you, Aaron. See everybody in the room or at the course tomorrow night. Loves to all.
Got it.